What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Good morning from Toronto, Canada. Currently, I'm on one of my layovers. I'm just at the hotel, so I thought I'd try to make a video here for you guys. So, Bitcoin, we had that little bit of breakout. Turned out to just be another fake out due to the low volume that we've been seeing. We're still seeing decreasing volume here, so we're going to get into that. So, we're currently sitting at 33,513. The market cap is sitting at 628 billion, and you can see the 24-hour volume has been decreasing. We're down to 26 billion. So let's hop straight into it, guys. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. I'm quickly going to take this line out just so it's easier for you guys to see. So we had this symmetrical triangle here, and we did break out, but due to that low volume, we once again saw a fake out. We've been seeing quite a few fake outs, and we fell back down, and we broke straight through this level of support that we've been holding for the last, looks like for almost the last 2 weeks here. So I'll quickly pop this line back in, and I'm going to take out this line of resistance here just to show you guys that, just to show you guys here on the 4-hour chart that we have fallen back into our bullish descending channel here. And now here's your 200 EMA, this red line here. You can see we hit it as resistance when we had our fake out back on June 14th. We came up, we hit it resistance when we had our fake out on June 29th. Now we've come up and hit it as resistance once again. So it seems the 200 EMA is going to be a little bugger for us and be a major level of resistance. You can also see we came up and we hit our head on the 0.786. We weren't able to break above it. We weren't able to hold the golden ratio here as support, and we fell over. So we're going to pop into the 1-hour time frame. So you can see here we did try to hold this level of support, which was the resistance line from our falling channel, as well as this support line that we've been holding for the last week or so. But the bulls just didn't have the energy, and the bears continued to push the price down. So I'm going to take this line of support out here. Now this is a bit of a head and shoulders. It's not strong in my opinion. It's pretty weak. Like the shoulders aren't very prominent, especially the right shoulder here. I'm a little bit lagged out because I'm sitting down on a small table here in my hotel room. But we could draw in a neckline here. There's something like this right here, and kind of give us a little breakdown target, because we've already broken the neckline, as you guys can see. Feel free to put this on 1.5 or 2 times speed. I don't have my mouse pad, so it's making it a bit difficult here. So it would bring us right down to that level of support. Let me drop that in here. Very close to that 32,492. And you can see we had support in this area, some support and resistance in this area. We had support in this area as well as a little bit here. So that could be where the price is coming down to. That is our technical target. So I'm quickly going to take my Fibonacci out. We're going to go swing low, swing high. So you can see here we're trying to hold the 0.786. Let's give it a little target here. At about 33,444, we are underneath the golden ratio. So unless we see a bounce from this level, which is possible, guys, because we did have this head and shoulders pattern. We came down and we saw a throwback and we saw a bounce, and then we had a little bit of a fake out here. So if we do see a bounce from this level, if the bulls are able to step in, we have to, of course, invalidate our high at a 35,918. Now, if we do see that continuation from our head and shoulders to the downside, I mean, we do have low volume here, and it seems the bears have just been in control for the last month and a half. I will give you that target down here at the 1.272 at 31,906. And we can also see here that the 1.618 is very close to levels of support in this area right here as well, and also right here and right here as well. So that would be back down at 30K. Now there is another pattern at play. I was watching Carl. His channel is called The Moon. Please go check it out. He is an absolute legend. Exactly as I predicted. And he was noticing, that's his favorite saying, he was noticing this falling wedge here. So we came out, we had a little mini breakout right here. I did enter some long positions, and then I got on a plane and I got to my hotel and I looked and my long position was down like 10%. I'm like, what just happened? I had to sell it. So we may be going into this falling wedge pattern where you come into it is that we come down, we find support right around 29,000, and then we come up and we see our breakout back to the upside, which would take us up. Your technical target would be up here at the top of the falling wedge, which would be right around 41K. So keep an eye on that pattern as well. We're still having our bullish divergence on the RSI, which indicates to me that we are going to break out to the upside soon and head back up to 41 to 42K, hopefully sooner than later. I'm getting tired, as I'm sure many of you are, of this sideways action, and having these fake breakouts are a little bit annoying. You can see here on the daily, we're still finding resistance on the 20 EMA. We came out, we broke out from the 20 EMA just a little bit, we came back down, and we're hitting resistance on the 20 EMA once again. So keep an eye on that head and shoulders. It's weak. The right shoulder is not very prominent in my opinion, but the breakdown target is down here at about 32K. We are underneath the golden ratio, so keep an eye on 31K and 30K. And if we do bounce, I'm just going to leave this level for you guys at 35K. We need to invalidate that head and shoulders, and we also need to break this high at about 36,430. So that's it for this one, guys. If you got any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'll set up my camera when I reach my destination. You'll be able to see me once again. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.